Welcome to Gluten Free Gourmet. Today I'm making Bruleed Oatmeal with cinnamon ginger cream. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, and it's certainly not your run-of-the-mill oatmeal recipe. The ginger cream is sweet and has a warming effect because it's infused with ginger and cinnamon. It's used both in the oatmeal and as a topping, so you get the delicious creaminess all throughout. And then to top it all off, the oatmeal is bruleed, which adds some crunch, and it also makes it a great option for breakfast or dessert. With all that being said, let's get started. Everything starts with the ginger cream. That's oat milk, slices of ginger, a couple cinnamon sticks, and then a dash of nutmeg. And I'm gonna let this just simmer for a good solid 10 minutes to let all that flavor infuse. Once it's done simmering, I take out the cinnamon sticks and the slices of ginger. At this point, I add real maple syrup, and this just adds some sweetness and some more flavor to the cream. Once that's done, I'll transfer it into another container, and then I'm going to use this same pot to make my oatmeal in. It's one less dish and you have all that flavor from the ginger cream. Now I'm just adding more oat milk to the pan, and we'll use this to cook our oats. And I'm going to use two different types of oats today. These are steel cut oats, and I'm adding them first because they take a little bit longer to cook. Cook these for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how chewy you want them to be. Once those are done cooking, as you can see, they've absorbed some of the oat milk and they've gotten a little bit more fluffy looking. And I'll add some rolled oats. And then to that, I'll add more oat milk. And I'll bring this to a boil and cook it for about 5 minutes. Then I'm adding brown sugar, some vegan butter, regular butter is fine if you're not dairy-free, and salt. And last but certainly not least, I'm going to add half of the ginger cream that we've reserved. At this point, I've added the oatmeal to a 1.5 quart ramekin, and I'm going to add about 1/4 of a cup of sugar to the top, and this is how we'll make the brulee on the top. You can use a brulee torch or your oven. I couldn't find my torch, so I'm going to use my oven today. And this will take about 5 to 7 minutes on high. Once it's done, it'll be golden brown. At this point, I'll top it off with some pretty berries, and then I'll scoop it out into portions and add some more of that reserved ginger cream to the top to serve. This will keep for up to 3 days in your refrigerator, so it's really a treat that keeps on giving. Let me know in the comments if you have your own unusually good oatmeal recipes, or if you've tried this one. Until then, I'll see you next time on Gluten Free Gourmet.